Resuming Windows 7 from Hibernate after a RAM change? I ordered a pair of new DDR3 RAMs. I will install them to the empty RAM slots once they arrive. What would happen if I hibernate my PC, then install the new RAMs, and then wake it up from hibernation? Would the system give an error message, or would it wake up all right? Do I need to shut down my PC before adding the new RAM units? Of course, restarting PC after such a critical hardware change is important and affordable, and I will definitely do so. But I'm just curious about this. I am asking this question out of curiosity. I want to learn how the system would behave if I were to not restart it. OS Windows 7 Ultimate x64 SB1 Mainboard Gigabyte P55A UDA Rev 1.0 RAMs DDR3 1333 MHz.
You will get an error message from the Windows Resume loader on restart. You will get this nasty warning. Your system's memory configuration has changed since it entered hibernation. If you proceed, the data needed to resume from hibernation will be lost. To preserve this data, turn off the system power, restore the original memory configuration and reboot the system. Otherwise, press to delete restoration data and proceed to System Boot menu. If you continue without restoring the original memory configuration, you will get roughly the same effect as if you had removed power suddenly rather than hibernating.
I know that this is an old thread, but for that ones that are curious. Windows was hibernating and I disconnected it from mains voltage. I added 2 RAM modules that are exactly the same as the ones I have already built in. After connecting my PC to the power and booting Windows 10, it decided to restart completely. From there on I had a fresh rebooted system with 32 and NBSP GB of RAM. I hope I got the answer people like me are asking themselves.
I once tried a friend's 2x8 GB RAM 6 on my hibernated laptop running Debian to see if I could upgrade from 2x4 GB and the system booted clearing all orphaned nodes. I found out my laptop supports 16 GB and that the swap caused some system snapshot restore issue that prevented it to wake up from hibernation.
Do you want to support for some default system?